The Advanced Master HADA is a product-oriented one-year master program which covers the topics of helicopters and drones, including new urban air taxis. First, all highly technical aspects of helicopters and VTOL aircraft are considered, ranging from avionics to advanced materials, flight dynamics, and the use of AI in new generation autopilots. Second, discovery flights in airplanes and helicopters are offered to students in order to discover the third dimension and to specifically experience vertical flights. Third, a vast majority of course instructors are professional engineers in helicopter and drone companies. Airbus Helicopters, Thales, Safran, to name a few. And finally, both students with electrical or mechanical engineering backgrounds may register to the HADA program with a unique chance to join the best aeronautical engineering teams. Drones and helicopters are becoming a major game changer in today's aeronautics. And this is why the HADA program is the gateway to a rapidly expanding sector. In addition to that, we are used to saying that today's drones are tomorrow's aircraft. And that is because it is much easier to start implementing new technologies into an uncrewed aircraft than in conventional aircraft. The HADA Master Program ideally prepares for professional careers in the technical development and optimization of helicopters and drones. But because it also covers a broad range of technologies, it opens the way to various highly technical positions in aeronautics in general. Technicality, multidisciplinary expertise, technical skills for the real world, and creativity for tomorrow's aircraft.